With the introduction of Making Tax Digital, all businesses must now submit their VAT returns electronically. For most, this can be done using the Sage 200cloud VAT return features within the software. For those on older versions of the software, or organisations which are part of a more complex VAT scheme, such as a group VAT, the in-software VAT feature will not work. This has led to Sage developing the Making Tax Digital submission module. This is a separate piece of software from the Sage 200cloud software, which can help bridge the gap between your older version of Sage 200 and HMRC, or help with combining several different companies' VAT returns to submit a single return. When using the module, you do not want the Sage 200cloud software to attempt to send the VAT return to HMRC electronically, as the module will be doing this instead. With that in mind, the VAT submission settings should be checked and the option to enable online VAT submissions should not be ticked. You will still need to create a VAT return from within the Sage 200cloud software in the usual manner. In my example, I'm going to have two companies which are part of Group VAT, Company A and Company B. I have produced the VAT return for my final quarter of 2020 in each of the companies, which you will be seeing on the screen now. Again, nothing has been sent to HMRC at this point. I've simply completed the VAT return in the normal manner and the software has VAT reconciled the transactions. Once the VAT returns have been completed within Sage 200 Cloud, I can then open the Making Tax Digital Submissions module. First, I need to select the software the VAT return data is coming from. In this case, I can choose Sage 200 from the drop-down menu, and this will give me a list of companies I've created for Sage 200. The two companies I'm looking to run a VAT return for are Company A and Company B. I can highlight each company in turn and select the Choose Company button, which then loads a small window displaying all the VAT returns available for that company. The latest VAT return will be at the top of the list. Once a VAT return has been selected, the figures from the different boxes on the VAT return are displayed on the right-hand side of the Making Tax Digital Submissions module. If I then select Company B and follow the same steps, you can see the figures for the two VAT returns are combined. Note that if you are using the module due to you being on an older version of Sage 200 Cloud, you will be following the same routine but only selecting the one company at a time to submit the relevant company's VAT return. The company name, VAT number and VAT return start and end dates are all pulled from the software. In this example, I need to amend the company name to match our group VAT name, but you would only need to do this if it was different to what had been populated. If I was then happy with the details and the numbers in the relevant VAT boxes, I can then submit the VAT return using the Submit VAT Return button at the bottom right of the window. This will then take me through a short wizard and have me sign in to my Making Tax Digital account that I have with HMRC in order to complete the submission. The VAT returns process may have changed slightly, but it still remains streamlined. I'll leave a link in the description for the Making Tax Digital Submission module, and this would need to be installed on each PC which a VAT return will be submitted from. We hope you found this short video helpful, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Until next time.